Hi folks, it's Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Niche Marketing Kit 2020, which launches on the 26th of December at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this really incredible value product from John Thornhill and Dave Nicholson. Now, some of you will know that John Thornhill is actually one of my mentors. I'm a member of his Partnership to Success program, which is an excellent high-ticket coaching program. Now, once every year, John and Dave release this bundle package, which is called a Niche Marketing Kit. And what it is an absolute massive package of their back catalogue, teaching you all different aspects of internet and affiliate marketing, about list building and PLR, making money with PLR products, loads and loads of stuff, thousands and thousands of dollars of value. And they do this at the end of every year. They release this absolute mega bargain package. Now, you've seen some great bargain packages out this Christmas from other marketers. I've put together promos for a couple of them myself. Yeah, this one is the best value of the lot, folks. You'll see that when I go through it. It is absolutely stacked with value. So when it comes to the Boxing Day sale, the January sale, this is the internet marketing equivalent of it, folks. It is an absolute bargain. Yeah, so if you like to grab yourself a bargain at this time of year, hopefully you've been given some money for Christmas. Well, don't waste it on gadgets and stuff you'll never use. Well, I mean, if it's a good gadget, buy it, but don't waste it on junk, yeah? Waste the money, don't spend the money, rather, on something that is going to really take your business forward, and that is the Niche Marketing Kit. So if it sounds like it's something of interest, then listen to this review. I've also put together 5 of my own bonuses. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0. Now, this product is on ClickBank. That means you're going to have to manually claim my bonuses from me. All right, I will tell you how to do that when we get to the bit where I go through my bonuses. All right, but you will have to manually claim the bonuses for this. They are exclusive bonuses. They're custom bonuses. They're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering, because you can always come back to this page when you realize that my bonuses are a bit special. But to be honest, the product sells itself. My bonuses are just the extra icing on the cake. You get so much with this. It is the ultimate no-brainer decision. So let us head over to the sales page. Very limited time special blowout of the lowest price ever. Finally, you have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get your hands on the biggest and best internet marketing complete toolkit that we've ever released for a fraction of the original cost. Watch this short video, will explain all about it. The Niche Marketing Kit is only available at this price for a very limited period of time, and it's just 5 days, folks. Miss it and you miss it. Basically, it is a genuine scarcity and genuine end of year sale. And those of you that know Dave and John's products, you will know that they always go up in price to the full price at the end of the marketing period, and they don't come down again. It's as simple as that. All of his stuff from last year is still at full price now. So if you want to watch the video, you can watch it either here or on my bonus page. We'll come back and go through the incredible amount of stuff that you get with this, but it covers 5 main areas. So the products that you're going to get cover traffic generation, video marketing, affiliate marketing, list building, and social media. That is what everything is covered. I'm also going to take you into the members area at Niche Marketing Kit. There it is. There is John Nicholson in his office in Sunderland, which is way up north in England, for those of you wondering where it is. And here, sorry folks, I've got this on the wrong setting, but I'm going to go through the upsells. There we are, because there are some really good upsells with this as well. But first, let's just cover those bonuses of mine. So when you click on the link underneath this page, you'll come through to this page here, and this video that I'm just recording will be in there. What's Niche Marketing Kit 2020 all about? Well, Dave and John have decided to get together to make the same tools, products and strategies that they've used in their business available to you to give you the best possible start in the new year. They call it the Niche Marketing Kit, and it contains all that you need for success next year. Imagine if you had an arsenal of their proven tools and strategies at your fingertips that have generated over $1 million in sales for Dave and John in 2019 alone. Having these proven tools and strategies will give you a massive advantage in the coming years, but it gets even better than that. Just imagine if you could grab all of these tools for a fraction of the cost that you would pay for them individually. Because we want to give you the best possible start next year and reward action takers, we're also going to give you an unbelievable discount off the usual price of this kit. And if you had to buy them all separately, they'd cost you thousands of dollars, but you'll only have to pay a tiny fraction of that today. So that is essentially what you're getting. This is the sales video, and these are the additional bonuses that I'm going to give you. So firstly then, let me tell you how to get these bonuses. So you need to send me a copy of your ClickBank receipt, because as I said, this is on ClickBank, and you need to send it to contact@elitetigersgroup.org. All right, so send a copy of your ClickBank receipt to contact@elite, E-L-I-T-E, elitetigersgroup.org with the subject line Niche Marketing Kit bonuses. All right, Niche Marketing Kit, you can see it written up here, Niche Marketing Kit bonuses, and then just send me your receipt and I will send you the link back to get all of these. So the 10 best lead magnets to give away in 2019, I'm sure they will remain pretty much the same top lead magnets next year. That is going to help you with various aspects of this course. A New Year 2020 checklist for marketers. This is really brilliant, this little checklist from Irish marketer Kevin Fahey that I'm going to give you. And this will ensure that you stay on the right track in 2020, yeah, with your very own checklist to make sure that you do all the right things, stick to them, and make sure that 2020 is the year when you really crush it. All right, so that's my second one. Thirdly, the 3 best affiliate funnels to use in 2019. Again, I strongly predict that they will remain the 3 best funnels to use in 2020. You can find out what they are in this great training. You get lots of PLR rights with a lot of the products inside this niche marketing bundle, folks. So I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can make $10,000 using private label rights videos. All right, that is my 4th custom bonus. You'll get that. And finally, you may have seen, those of you that have been involved in messenger bot marketing during 2019, that's one area that is not going to be a growth area in 2020, because there's a major change coming to Facebook algorithm in January that will make ManyChat and Facebook Messenger bot marketing almost impossible. So lots of people are predicting, this was already big in 2019, but people are saying that SMS marketing is going to be the big thing in 2020 for people that are looking to get much better open rates than they are with email. Well, this is 7 top SMS marketing super tips that can help you to get ahead of that particular game. All right, so they are the custom bonuses that I'm putting together. Now, what are you going to get here, folks? And I'm pretty much just going to reel off a list, yeah, because there's so much in here that there's no point covering anything else in the sales page other than the products, yeah? So this is what you're going to get included in this kit, folks. And as I said, it falls into those 5 categories. So the first category is on traffic generation, yeah? So 45-day traffic plan. It's a complete traffic generation workshop. Permanent access to John Thornhill's Simple Traffic Solutions. This is a really, really good traffic generation course, folks, yeah. I learned a lot from this. Some of the stuff in here actually formed the basis or helped me create my own traffic generation product, Tigers Traffic, yeah. The next one is Traffic Generation Explosion video course. 150,000 articles with full private label rights. The Google Traffic Pump System video and ebook course. Permanent access to Dave Nicholson's total web traffic. Again, you can pause obviously and read. This is the sales page, so this is accessible to everyone. If you want to read more details about any of these products, you can just pause and look. Traffic Phoenix. Then we move on to the video marketing niche products. We've got Video Marketing Blueprint video course with master resale rights included. So a lot of these products have got rights included. The Ultimate Video course with resale rights included. The Video Cache Blueprint, again with reseller rights. Video Magic with PLR rights included. Video Marketing Secrets Exposed, again with master resale rights included. High quality video sales page templates. Massive 70 high quality video skin pack. High quality video sales and squeeze page template pack. Hundreds of graphical elements with source files. SEO Video Warrior ebook and video course, and premium video sales and squeeze page template pack. Then we move on to the affiliate marketing section of products that you're going to be getting. Firstly, permanent access to affiliate ad rotator, permanent access to ClickBank Affiliate Master, affiliate promo formula and affiliate alliance, affiliate marketing master plan PLR package, easy affiliate marketing PLR package, finding the best affiliate products to promote PLR package, finding JV partners PLR package, how to build effective sales funnels PLR package. Obviously all of these come with private label rights. Affiliate Rockstar Domination Series, master resale rights included. Affiliate blogging video ebook with, again, master resale rights. The Affiliate Manager's Handbook, master resale rights. And the Affiliate Profits Blueprint with master resale rights. Then we move on to list building products. List building evolution video and ebook, list building training. Squeeze page templates with master reseller rights. List building exposed video course with reseller rights. List building income video course with reseller rights. 37 list building quick tips with PLR. List building renegade video course with reseller rights. Profitable list building secrets PLR. List building for profits PLR. The road to a 50k mailing list PLR. Ace list building complete course with resale rights included, and List Phoenix. And finally, the social media related courses, permanent access to Like Page Builder Pro, Facebook Rockstar System with master resale rights, Facebook Business Basics with PLR, Social Media Profits with master resale rights, Facebook Marketing Secrets, Facebook Coupon App with PLR, Social Network Marketing Extreme with master reseller rights, Facebook Buzz Software with master resale rights, Instant Facebook Store Builder with master resale rights, Twitter Marketing Crash Course with private label rights. And your Internet Marketing Essentials. This is an extra area at the end. Turn your PLR material into profit building machines. Permanent access to digital media solution. John Thornhill's Inner Circle, that's John's own Inner Circle, and 60-minute reseller. Now, if that wasn't enough for you, there's even some vendor bonuses, would you believe, folks? This is absolutely nuts, really. But you're also going to get these bonuses, 12 months worth of membership website content with PLR included, the 10 times affiliate formula, premium header templates, 70 professional pop-up images, the promotion blueprint video training, list building secrets PLR package, your first online business PLR package, and John and Dave's joint online success training with unlimited access. 100% money back guarantee for 30 days, folks. So why anyone would possibly not be happy with this, you know, I cannot possibly imagine. But anyway, $19.95, folks. It is the bargain of the decade, yeah, which is about to end, of course. So it goes without saying that I think this is a complete no-brainer. Let's have a quick look in the members area. So what you should do here, actually, I do strongly recommend it. I know you should always watch a welcome video anyway, but John actually talks you through the best way to actually deal with this, because there's so much stuff in here. It would be easy to think, well, how do I get started with this? There's just like stacks and stacks of stuff. It's a year's worth of learning here. Well, firstly, by the way, there's some free bonus training here that you should watch from John. But I would recommend that you watch this, and he's going to talk to you about the best strategy to actually work your way through this. Yeah. So obviously to get access to it, you just click on Niche Marketing Kit, and then you've got everything here. So you can access all of the products just by clicking on all of these buttons. Yeah, some of them there'll be more than one bit of the product to access separately. Some of them it will just be one button to access it all, but everything that you need is in there. And then if you've taken upgrades, they'll be on that button there. You've got some PLR training there. You've got other resources. It is, as I said, it's a complete no-brainer, folks. Yeah, it's nuts for $19.95 the amount of stuff that you're getting. All right, let's have a quick look at the upsells. So the first upsell is $99, and that is 99 PLR products. This is private label rights to 99 complete, ready-made, good-to-go product packages that also continues to sell excellently for John and Dave. So have a look at that. Again, that is highly recommended, folks. There's also, by the way, if you can't afford that because, you know, you have blown out on Christmas or whatever, there is a down sell with just 25 PLR products, and that's $25. So if you miss that, you will be offered that. Then you've got 99 Premier websites. This is a massive 99 Premier high quality and targeted websites. Obviously they're niche websites, and that is $99 again, and there's a downsell on that to 25 websites for $25. And then there's a $9.95 a month PLR monthly and store builder monthly combined. This offers 2 of Dave and John's best-selling monthly products for the price of 1, monthly PLR products and monthly niche targeted websites. These are proven products that regularly sell like hotcakes at double the cost, and that's $9.95 a month. I would take all of that that you can afford, folks, because offers like this, bargains like this, do not come round very often, as I'm sure you know. So that is pretty much it, folks. If you want to get this and pick up all of my additional bonuses, then all you need to do is click any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0. That will take you into the sales page. Do watch the sales video. Click on Buy Now. And then after that, as I said, you do need to send me that email to contact@elitetigersgroup.org with the subject line Niche Marketing Kit Bonus. Include your ClickBank receipt, and then I will send you the link to get your bonuses from me. Other than that, all there is for me to thank you for watching and listening to this review video. Do have a happy Christmas and a happy new year. If you've enjoyed the video, do please click on the subscribe button underneath, and you'll be informed every time I bring a new recording out. But don't miss this great January sale bargain, because it is an absolute killer. I'm going to give it 5 out of 5. It goes without saying on the Elite Tigers Group rating. So until next time, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Niche Marketing Kit 2020.